In this video, I will show you how to add email signature in Webmail hosting. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, make sure you are on the home page. On the left side, click on emails. Okay, you will see all the emails over here. Now just select your email and click on manage. Now go on the left side again and click on emails accounts. In here you can see this option webmail. Click on it. Okay, just click on settings, identities. Click on your email. Now in here you can type or write your signature. You can also add any link, image. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.